name is Angel. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I got this super simple makeup look. If you are not already an Angel babe, go ahead and make sure you subscribe to my channel and be sure to hit that notification bell, sis, so you won't miss any more of my uploads. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. So before we jump into the makeup portion of today's video, I just wanted to say thank you TTDEYE Contacts for sending me over these amazing contacts, sis, that I am wearing, period. So I am rocking the color Queen Gray, which are these beautiful contacts right here. They're like the perfect mix between a green and a gray. Super beautiful. Now these are a little bit more dramatic than what I showed you guys in my last makeup tutorial. So be sure to check out my description bar. Be sure to use my coupon code. And I also will have the ones that I wear in today's video linked down below. Let's go ahead and jump into the makeup. So just to give the eyes a little bit of something, I'm just going to go ahead and take my Black Radiance Dark to Deep contour palette. And I'm going to take this middle shade right here. And I'm going to use that to transition with, well, we're not really transitioning much of anything, but I just want a little color in this area right here. And that is pretty much it for the eyes for now. I'm just going to go ahead and pop on the lashes. And of course, I'm using my favorite Aliexpress lashes. These are the D108. So let me put these babies on and I'll be back. So lashes are on, and you guys, I just realized that I didn't even put on wing liner, and I wanted to wear wing liner, you guys. I'm so mad right now. Like, I can't believe I forgot to put on wing liner. And y'all see how that gives just a little bit of something to the eyes, like just a little definition. I'm so mad at myself. I can't believe I forgot to do that. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and move on. So for primer, I'm just using my Smashbox Photo Finish Poreminimizing primer, and of course you guys know I'm just going to apply this to all the areas where I tend to get oily. Hopefully these makeup tutorials are not getting redundant, especially with me saying the same thing, but I get that every single time there may be somebody new watching, or somebody may learn something or not know something and learn something. So forgive me if I'm being a little redundant and repetitive. Now that the face is primed, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my favorite foundation. I know it's like $40, but it's so worth it, sis. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup. I love double wear. Like, if you have been following me for a minute, you know I have been wearing double wear since like years now. I love it. Hey, is it open? Wait a minute. What's going on, double wear? I literally have not even finished this bottle, you guys, and I've already ordered another full-size bottle. Like, double wear will always have a place in my heart and a place in my makeup collection. Aww. Y'all, I just read a comment from my previous video. Y'all, today is Valentine's Day, by the way. So I just uploaded that video. I just read a comment. You guys are so freaking sweet. Like, I love y'all so much. Like, as much as y'all love me, I love y'all too. Some of y'all my big sis, some of y'all my little sis, but most of y'all are like my big sisters, and I love y'all so much. So look at me talking. I'm going in with the Colourpop No Filter Concealer, and I'm in the shade Dark 40. So I'm just going to use this to conceal the under eye. I'm going to go ahead and work in smaller sections with this concealer because it does dry fast just like that Maybelline, because I almost could not blend it out in my last video. So not going to do too much talking because y'all see, oh my god, we're just going to go ahead and blend her out. Now that that's blended out, woo, we're going to go ahead and do down the bridge of the nose and a few swipes on the forehead. And this concealer is matte, so that's probably why it dries so fast. And make sure you guys, when you're doing your concealer, like even if you have to stick your finger in your nose a little bit, like just to make sure you blend out around the corners, please do that, sis, because you don't want anybody to be able to tell where your foundation stops. Everything to be blended, and you want everything to be flawless, honey. I don't even know why I put concealer on my forehead, because I'm literally wearing my bangs like in my face today. So I don't know why I did that. To set all the areas where I highlighted, I'm just going to be taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder. This powder is not cheap either, you guys. It's probably like $40. So worth it. It's so worth it, to say the least. So I'm just going to go ahead and set using this powder. And it's so flawless, like it's not cakey, it's not heavy, or any of that. Oh my gosh, like if you have dry skin, like don't even try to use this concealer, because I don't have, like I have combination skin. Woo! Well, oh my gosh, she is not playing. Like she is super duper matte. I'm gonna have to use some dewy setting spray or something, sis. She's not playing. So now we're gonna go ahead and move on to bronzer. I could not wait. Let me slow myself down. Of course, we have to set the rest of the face. And of course, you guys already know what I'm using. Let me go grab it. Y'all already know. And I'm just going to set the rest of my face. I'm looking real flat and real matte. So I'm going to go ahead and bring some color back to the face. I'm using this Covergirl Full Spectrum Bronzer. I could not get enough of this from my last video, so I had to bring her back out. Like, she did not come to disappoint in my last video. So I was like, you know what? I got to bring you back because you're not playing. This bronzer is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I'm gonna put it on my chin area too, because I forgot to do that in my last video, and that really just helps to slam down that, you know, extra turkey neck that I have going on. Just snatched up the nose. Y'all already know, like, I have to snatch the nose. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and move on to blush. So for blush, I'm using my Juvia's Place The Saharian Blush Volume 2 palette. I use this shade right here. My camera cut off, so I'm not sure if you guys saw me do it or not. And I was telling you guys that I'm starting to use another brush for my blush, because I feel like the Real Techniques brush was really nice for blush. It was just too big for my face. It was just kind of getting all over the place. And I like for my products to be layered, like my bronzer, my blush, my highlighter, those things to like really be where they need to be and not all over. So as long as you are familiar with different fibers and what the brushes are made out of, you can pretty much use any brush for what you want to. Just because it says it's a blush brush or a setting powder brush does not mean you have to use it for that. You can literally use it for whatever your personal need is or whatever you want to. Freestyle it. Makeup is fun. Makeup is fun. I really like that brush for my powder, for my blush. That was nice. So I'm moving on to highlighter, and I'm just taking my Maybelline MasterChrome. I love this highlighter, you guys. Like, it is so gorgeous, and I already did snatch my nose, so I'm just gonna apply it to the places where I normally apply her. Like, girl, that blush is beautiful, and it is going to go perfect with the lips, y'all, that I chose. Perfect. And we're using a new lip product. Are we ready for lips? Yeah, we're ready for lips. Well, let me spray my face first, and of course my favorite Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this Mary Kay liner just to fill in my mold. And then for my lips, I'm going to go ahead and use this NYX Suede matte lip liner in the shade Downtown Beauty, which is this beautiful brown. It is a perfect dupe for matte cork. We're gonna take a quick break on the lips and move on to the eyes, because I just realized that I forgot my wing liner, but I didn't forget my waterline. So I have this beautiful metallic blue, and I also have this blue. Trying to see which one I want to use underneath the eyes to really help these contacts pop, because it's the contacts for me, like, period. So I think I'm going to do the metallic just so it won't be like super bright in your face. And then for mascara, I just applied some of the Lash Intensity mascara from Mary Kay. So for my lip, I'm using this lip from Mary Kay. Well, actually, I wanted to try this lip gloss by itself. So this is the new Maybelline Lifter lip gloss with hyaluronic acid. I actually picked this up from CVS earlier today, and I got the shade 006 Reef. Look at this packaging. Like, this packaging definitely gives me like Kim K vibes. I love it. Like, this gloss, it better not disappoint. So I wanted to apply it without actually using a lip liner, and I had been looking for like a baby doll kind of pink gloss. So I was like, you know what? Plus I had a coupon, so I was like, why not try this one? Because I was gonna get another NYX gloss, but I was like, let's try her first. And it smells good. It's so pretty. It's more like a peachy pink, but it smells really good. And it's crazy, but it tastes good too. Don't tell nobody I told you that. But it does taste good. And I'm not a fan of flavoring my glosses, but this one's nice. I wanted to see what it looked like by itself. So now that I see, I'm just going to go ahead and apply this lipstick, Mary Kay lipstick in Bashful You. It's just like this pinky nude color. And normally I apply my lipstick first, but you know, I just was so curious to see what the gloss looked like. And of course, y'all know I love gloss, so I'm just going to apply a little bit more. You can never, ever have enough gloss. And don't let anybody tell you that you can, period. You heard it from Angel first. So you guys, this is pretty much the final look. Ooh, wait a minute. This is pretty much it for this look. I hope you guys enjoy seeing me do this beautiful yet simple makeup look. Don't forget, all details will be down in my description bar below, as well as the information on these contacts and my coupon code. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. And if you like the channel, go ahead and make sure you subscribe so you can join the family. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.